Number 3 says that if you have a box filled with 20 blue poker chips and 16 red poker chips, what is the least number of poker chips you have to remove in order for the ratio of blue to red chips to be 4:3? So in this case, what we want to do is use some of the answer choices that we have. Now, in our algebra lessons, we talk about the technique, use what you got. And we're going to apply it to this question because it's going to be really helpful for you. So if you use what you got, and we want to know the least number of poker chips, if we're testing out answer choices, because it said least, we're going to start with the answer choice that is the least, which would be, in this case, answer choice A. So if we take away 1 poker chip from here, you can start off by testing out this. However, I'm hoping that you're going to realize that by taking 1 away from the blue, it's going to result in the number 19, which is a prime number. So if you have 19 to 16, that can't be reduced at all because we can't reduce prime numbers. So if we need to somehow make this ratio 4:3, there's absolutely no way we could do that. However, you want to make sure that you're testing out taking 1 chip away from the red pile. And if you do that, you're left with 20 blue chips and 15 red chips. Now, if you reduce that, both of these have a 5 in common. So if you take 5 out of the 20, that reduces down to 4. And if you take 5 out of 15, that reduces to 3. And voila, you have your exact ratio that the question's asking you for. And your answer is A. So that use what you got technique is really, really helpful, and the SAT knows it. So they know that they want to reward students for using these really logical techniques, which is why the answer was A, because they want you to test out the least answer choice first. So if you start using that technique, you're going to find that you're going to be able to breeze through these more complicated questions really, really fast.